leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, a lot of reforms have been coming up now. This is an era of development, era of building the economy, era of building the social structure, and era of reforms. In this era of reforms, we have one nation, one tax, and we have one new education policy, so on and so forth. Now, one nation, one election is a very important aspect in the growth story of this country. We've been seeing that for last 3-4 decades. Every day there is an election. Almost every day there will be some election somewhere, right from cooperatives, panchayat, state assemblies and parliament elections. Therefore, to stop this menace of having everyday election, which is a stumbling block for the development of this country, and huge money will be wasted on these elections every time when they held, and development will be put to stop. Therefore, it's a very great step regarding reforms in this democratic country, which is the greatest democracy, and our Prime Minister has boldly put this. He had a committee under the stewardship of former Honorable President Kuwait, and based on that, the cabinet has taken a decision, and the same thing will be put forth during this parliament session. Everybody has to support this. This is a far-reaching amendment which is going to come, which will change the life of the country in this democratic setup. Hence, everybody should support it, and those who don't support, that means they are anti-development of this country. They are against the India developing, and only for the political purpose they are opposing it. So we should rise above our political party, and everybody should support. That's a call I want to give to you, and I congratulate the Honorable Prime Minister for taking such a bold step.